Red 3-6, over. Roger, we're taking automatic weapons fire from a right flank.
Any, mini, mighty, mo.
Let's get ready on the show. Freaking Ray. You know, yeah, Ray, if I put this on YouTube, I'm gonna get comments. I'm gonna get comments. I'm gonna get. Why is that black guy calling everybody?
We'll hunt that some bitch down. Told you niggas stay out the yard. Yeah. Everybody against that nagger. Oh, he just a bagger. No, I said nagger. Yeah. Nagger. He just nags a lot.
They shooting. They shooting. There's a big open space right here. Maybe he just sees me. If he just sees, does he see you too? No, I think he just sees me. Let me play with him a little bit. Take him out.
Put it straight down.
Oh shit.
Get fired on?
Yeah. This red rag don't mean nothing. Shoot over the pallet, Ray. Over the pallet. They can reach. Just wandering my mind. Ah! Ray Sean! Ray! Help me, Ray! You want to run up on him? Oh shit, never mind. Quarter pallet! Fuck! He's down!
Yes, I got enough ammo for another one.